was a fairy tale, you were the prince. I used to be a damsel in distress. You took me by the hand and you picked me up at 6. Today was a fairy tale. Today was a fairy tale. Today was a fairy tale. I wore a dress, you wore a dark gray t-shirt. You told me I was pretty when I looked like a mess. Today was a fairy tale. Time slows down whenever you're around. But can you feel this magic in the air?
Maureen, I give you this ring as a sign of my love, and promise that I'll always love you and care for you and always treat you.
Kenneth Kwesika, the man that decided to spend the rest of my life with. I ask for your blessings to stay in this marriage as long as you have.
Saw your face, today was a fairy tale.
Why energy nitumanya it's sweet and sour at the same time, so the love in your marriage is going to be sweet and sour. So he says that when the sour comes in, you don't have to forget the sweet.
Feel this magic in the air. It must have been the way you kissed me.